Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guideful, and in today's video I am sharing a quick hands-on review of Micromax Canvas Express 4G. Micromax launched the Canvas Express 4G in India at a price tag of ₹6599 and it is available exclusively on Flipkart in open sale model starting November 18. It's a 4G LTE device and Micromax tie up with Airtel for double data offer, and it's valid for 6 months. On the specifications front, it features 5-inch full HD IPS display. It has a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels and the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Above the display there is a 2 megapixel camera with LED light and range of sensors. There is a speaker grill, and below the display there are capacitive buttons. There is no problem with the resolution as of now, and it offers a pretty good viewing angle. As you can see that it is minimum bezels. On the right hand side there is a power key and volume rocker key. At the back there is a aerodynamic back, and it has a pretty good finish. There is a 8 megapixel camera with Micromax banding, and the LED flash is sandwiched between the camera and the Micromax banding. At the back there is a big speaker which you can find it. On the left hand side there are nothing as such. At the top there is a 3.5mm audio jack and micro USB slot for charging the device, and at the bottom there is a mic. Removing the back panel gives you access to 2000 mAh battery and dual SIM card slots. Both the SIM card slots are of micro SIM card slots, and there is a micro SD card expansion slot by which you can expand the memory further. And the back panel is made up of polycarbonate metal, as you can see, and it is of decent build quality. Tapping on notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings as you have seen in stock Android, and tapping on settings button gives you access to all the settings available in your smartphone. It is powered by quad-core MediaTek MTK6735P processor which clocks at 1.0 GHz, and there is no word on the GPU, and it has 2 GB of RAM, and by running multiple applications I haven't found any lag as such of now. And it runs on Android version 5.1, which is the latest Android version, and it carries the model number Micromax Q413. And apart from the clicking on the app door gives you access to all the applications, and it comes preloaded with apps like Savan, Quikr, MLive and few more. Well, looking at the device, and I can say it's a pretty good device, and it has 16 GB inbuilt memory. Out of 16 GB, only 11.88 GB is available for user. As you can see there, the other space is occupied by OS and other applications that can be stored. As looking at the price tag, that is 6599, which is a decent one, and it offers a pretty, at such a price tag it offers a value for money. And on the sides it is a metal which can be found on Canvas Express series, and considering the price tag, it's a pretty good device and you can easily go for it. And above all, it's a 4G LTE device. There is no word whether both the SIM supports 4G or not. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the upcoming video. This is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video.